Hi, my name is Dan Pergint, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2008 Moomba. This boat was just polished up and looks absolutely great on the outside. It's a great first-time boat. Nice wakeboard boat. Have your exhaust and your plate below. Nice swim platform. Nice bench to lay out in the back here. Alright. You have a ski pylon here in the back. The boat comes with a nice tower. Great tow point for wakeboarding and tubing. The interior is in good condition. The nice bow area up front with a filler cushion. There is some cracking in the seats, so you could either replace the upholstery or leave it as is and just use it for the first type of wake boat and the helm. This boat is really priced great, and it's a great little boat. And again, my name is Dan Pergint with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota.